Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to add calendar widget to your home screen on iPhone. Now the first thing you have to do is touch and hold on the home screen and then tap on this plus icon. From here scroll down and find calendar. Here you can see calendar option. Then just tap here and find the calendar widget that you want to add to your home screen. If you want to add this calendar widget to your home screen, then just touch and hold it and drag it to home screen. Then tap on done and it's done. Now the calendar widget has been added successfully to your home screen. Now if I tap on calendar, then tap on continue, then tap on allow while using app, then tap on allow to get notifications. From here you can check your calendar details. And that is how you can add calendar widget on iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.